Sekuphele amasonto amathathu manje kuvalwe amapayipi athumela amanzi kule ndawo ngenxa yephunga elibi ebeliphuma kompompi. Lamanzi kubikwa ukuthi adungeka ngesikhathi kuchitheka isitamkoko esakhahlamezeka kulungiswa ingqalasizinda nokholele ekutheni amanzi egcina eseba nephunga elibi.
We did see that the water pipe had burst here on the corner, but we weren't aware that anything was wrong with the water, but obviously the water was switched off for a few days.
Nakuba amanzi esebuyile kodwa-ke izakhamuzi ziyesaba ukwaphuza. Zikhala nangokuthi abe-Joburg Water abafuni ukuphumela obala ngokuthi asephephile yini ukuthi aphuzwe.
This area is full of elderly people. What do they do? How do they go about getting water? You know? So I think we'll have to wait another 2 weeks before we are satisfied that the water is not contaminated anymore.
The water still comes brown all the time, you know. Especially in the morning. Sometimes the water is white, sometimes it's cream, sometimes it's brown. You can't understand what's going on.
Ikhansela lendawo lithi kunzima ukuxhumana phakathi komphakathi nabe-Joburg Water.
My problem is that communication from Joburg Water and proper organization should have been in place.
I-Joburg Water ithi isikwazile ukwahlanza amanzi abedungekile, kodwa-ke zikhona iy'ndawo eyisanenkinga yamanzi.